we are securing and consolidating the management practices within the company. So we are sure that the newcomers are practicing in the correct way the different management tools that we are offering them, and this will make them more solid when they will become leaders. The true difference is that in the end what we are doing is that we are offering them in a new way. Let's say that I see more contemporary, because the way that we have been able together with Cegos to mix different approaches like the face-to-face classroom, virtual environment, and digital has in some way made all this much more appealing for our people. One is the quality and the state of the art of all the learning activities that Cegos has been delivering to our people, both in terms of learning methodologies, that in terms of the quality of the facilitators that have been in our company. And the second point is about the ability of Cegos of covering all the different branches that Barilla has in the world. So the international profile of Cegos has allowed us to provide exactly the same quality and the same spirit all across the Barilla world. Now there is more of an organizational development. So we see that there is a coherence in what people do, and we see that people feel stronger because they also feel part of a community which is managing things and in a different way. What we think is that Cegos was the right value for money, so that was a pleasant discovery for us in terms of the value that we got compared to what we had to pay for.